months of wild asparagus. Even just a whiff of it provokes an anaphylactic reaction. Vomiting, hives, diarrhea, atopic eczema. My lips swell up like beach.
She's trying to look around
So I'm
you.
guessing asparagus is out.
I think she likes it.
Correct.
Gross.
Gross. Back there, and you're in here.
What's she eating?
Broccoli and carrots with cheese.
I got one of these back home. Yeah, man.
Try some, Mama. Here.
No.
Come on. You try everything.
If you try it, I'll try it.
No, you told me you try everything.
Come on, he's here.
Let's see it.
No,
You said it. So you're a liar then.
I try everything? No, I don't.
You told me you try everything she eats.
Oh. No, I don't. I've tried a few things. I've tried the peas.
Welcome to our sandbox, dude. I'm Donald Wallace, your art director, sportsman, bon vivant, and tour.
She's like, what's that?
Hang on.
Dude does code upside down.
Wait.
It's a nice trick, dude. And they put asparagus in my proximity, and my face explodes. You think that's me being a hypochondriac?
She looks proud. Oh my gosh. It's like catnip for clothes.
Phil's mom. Oh, yeah, we've known each other for quite a while. 15 fun-filled years. Not nearly as much fun as the gameplay in Elves in Space, but right up there. Elves in Space was one of the worst video games of all time. Other than that, yeah, no, it's a great space.
Roommates okay?
The total dream team.
I don't know. Maybe she doesn't like it.
Mark, right in here.
She's looking for it.
Why don't y'all come down in an hour or so? Join us for dinner.
Down?
Oh, didn't tell
I
you?
don't think she likes it, does she?
Tell me.
It's not a very good face.
Oh, so,
Is it yucky?
live here?
With our 8-year-old.
So, does that mean
What do
that
you think I should do?
and Dean are...
Try one more bite.
You're breathing, Charlie. Swing wide.
I don't think she likes it. So she doesn't like broccoli.
How long ago did it happen?
Hi.
4 years ago, I had me fast too. Sometimes blood and artery.
Oh. You turned it off. No. There. Thanks. Thanks.
So I learned the names of all the flowers in the garden before I was 6. When we lost him, when I was in high school, I felt like we were in the library.
Charlie's not letting me play.
Okay, she's now. She's on top.
What's Mama got now?
This is the best
Sweet potatoes.
Sweet potatoes.
Sweet potatoes.
Daddy and even with that babysitter who never talked. Okay, gamers. 15 minutes till Abby's house rules apply.
No dirty hands, no consoles left on, no texting under the table.
Dude, that's harsh. He's just being ironic.
Thank you, Philip.
She looks like you right now. She's like, what the?
good thing.
Got a bit of a situation. Careful here, Mike.
Okay, I understand.
I like you.